Meet the Air on Wheels by HeliFan, the mobile cooling powerhouse built for tough industrial environments.
Experience powerful airflow that cuts through heat and humidity, instantly improving working conditions. With up to 80 feet of effective air coverage, this fan cools large production areas with ease. Operating at under 40 decibels, the fan keeps your floor quiet without compromising performance. Engineered with aerodynamic blades and heavy-duty design, available in 6 feet diameter. Fully mobile with 360-degree heavy-duty wheels, shift cooling wherever the work goes. Equipped with VFD smart controls for adjustable speed, energy savings, and longer motor life. HeliFan's Air on Wheels, built for your floor, your team, your comfort.